Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we will discuss something more about profit and loss. So in this video we will discuss how to find selling price when cost price and profit or cost price and loss are given to you. Okay, so before we start some questions related with this topic, once again we'll start with a short situation. Suppose this is Ayana and Ayana buys a pencil box for her. ठीक है, अयाना अपने लिए एक सुंदर सा पेंसिल बॉक्स लेकर आती है एंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ दिस पेंसिल बॉक्स इज ₹300. And after some time she sold this pencil box to her friend with a profit of ₹50. Now this time you have to find the selling price of the box. फिर से देखिए, look at the whole situation. अयाना इस पेंसिल बॉक्स को 300 रुपीज़ में ले रही है. इट मीन्स द कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ₹300 एंड लेटर शी सोल्ड दिस पेंसिल बॉक्स टू हर फ्रेंड दक्षिता विद द प्रॉफिट ऑफ ₹50. अब आपको ये नहीं बताया है कि वो उसको कितने प्राइस में सोल्ड कर रही है, लेकिन आपको ये बताया है कि उसको बेचने पर, उसको सोल्ड करने पर उसको 50 रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है. तो इट मीन्स you have to find the selling price. अब कैसे निकालेंगे selling price? अब we know that whenever cost price, whenever we have a profit, we always know selling price is always more than the cost price. प्रॉफिट के केस में सेलिंग प्राइस जो है वो हमेशा कॉस्ट प्राइस से ज़्यादा होता है. इट मीन्स अगर हमें सेलिंग प्राइस फाइंड आउट करना है तो वी हैव टू ऐड कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड प्रॉफिट. So from this whole situation, once again we find a formula to find selling price when cost price and profit is given to you. So we can say that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Okay, अब once again अगर वो सारी situation में suppose 300 का पेंसिल बॉक्स लेकर आगे उसको अपनी फ्रेंड को 20 रुपीज़ लॉस में बेच रही है, इट मीन्स वो सेलिंग प्राइस क्या हो जाएगा, उसके लिए कम हो जाएगा. ओके, क्योंकि वी नो दैट इन केस ऑफ लॉस सेलिंग प्राइस इज ऑलवेज लेसर देन द कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो इस केस में अगर हमें लॉस फाइंड आउट सेलिंग प्राइस फाइंड आउट करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, वी सब्ट्रैक्ट द लॉस फ्रॉम cost price. So once again the second formula is selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Okay, so this is clear for you all that whenever you have to find selling price and cost price and profit is given to you, you add both terms, and when you have to find selling price when cost price and loss is given to you, so you will subtract loss from the cost price. So these are the two formulas to determine selling price when profit and loss is given to you. So once again using these formulas we will solve a table, and this is the table for you. Here you have given cost price, profit and loss. Okay, and you have to determine selling price. Okay, the very first part is here cost price is ₹85 and loss is ₹11. We know that to determine selling price when loss is given to you, we'll subtract loss from the cost price, and when we subtract 11 from 85 we will get ₹74 as a selling price. Now the second part, cost price ₹480, profit ₹75. Now in this case you have to find out the selling price. So क्या करेंगे, in case of profit to determine selling price we add the two terms. We'll add cost price and profit, and after adding we will get ₹555 as a selling price. Now the third part, your cost price is ₹1,200, profit is not given to you, you have given loss of ₹195. Now you have to find out the selling price. So to determine selling price when loss is given, we will subtract cost price minus loss. So subtract these two terms and we will get ₹1,005 as a selling price. Now the fourth part, cost price 4,250, profit rupees 300. Now you have to find out the selling price. So once again, in case of profit, what we will do, we'll add the two terms and then we can find the selling price. So I'm leaving this question for you, so you will write its answer in my comment box. Now let us discuss few problem sums related with this topic, that is to determine selling price. So this is the first question for you. A shopkeeper purchased a sari for rupees 375 and sold it at a profit of rupees 90. Find the selling price of the sari. So here what is given to you, in your first line, a shopkeeper purchased a sari for rupees 375. So यहाँ पे कहीं नहीं लिखा है कि what is the cost price. आपको खुद ही सोचना पड़ेगा. Cost price means, what is the meaning of cost price? जिस प्राइस में हम किसी चीज़ को खरीद रहे हैं. तो परचेज मतलब खरीद रहे हैं. So here the cost price of sari is rupees 375 and he sold this sari with a profit of rupees 90 और 90 रुपीज़ के प्रॉफिट में वो उस साड़ी को आगे बेच रहा है. Then you have to find out the selling price of sari. Selling price of sari. So what is the formula to find the selling price when cost price and profit is given to you? Cost price and profit is given to you. So that is cost price plus profit. हम cost price और profit दोनों को add करेंगे to determine selling price. Now put the values. Cost price rupees 375 plus profit rupees 90, and after adding we will get 465 as the selling price of the sari. A watchmaker bought an old watch for rupees 420 and spent rupees 85 on its repair. If he sold the watch at a gain of rupees 60, find the selling price of the watch. Now in this question, what is given to you? You have given the cost price of the watch, which is equal to rupees 420, and after that he is spending rupees 85 on its repair. और मैंने अपनी पीछे वाली वीडियो में आपको बताया था कि जब आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस होते हैं तो we add these extra charges in cost price to find the actual cost price. So here in this question, first we need to find the actual cost price of the watch. So the cost price of the watch is rupees 420 and repair charges rupees 85. So what will be the actual cost price of the watch? Actual cost price of the watch will be equal to rupees 420, the cost price, plus repairing charges rupees 85. So after adding these two numbers, we will get the cost price of the watch, that is the actual cost price. So the cost price, actual cost price of the watch is rupees 505, and then he sold this watch at with a profit of or a gain of rupees 60. अब वो उस वॉच को 60 रुपीज़ गेन में सोल्ड कर रहा है, बेच रहा है. So you have to find out the selling price of watch. Okay, so once again we know that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So now we add the two terms, rupees 505 plus rupees 60. Okay, so after adding these numbers, we will get rupees 565 as a selling price of the watch. Now our next question is, Rahul purchased a book for rupees 225. After reading it, he sold this book to his friend at a loss of rupees 120. Find the amount paid by his friend to Rahul. So once again in this question, what is the cost price of the book? The cost price of the book is rupees 225, and Rahul selling this book to his friend with a loss of rupees 120. It means आपको क्या given है? Loss 120. And now we have to find out the amount paid by his friend to Rahul. अब उसने राहुल के फ्रेंड ने राहुल को क्या मनी पे की? जितने में राहुल ने बुक को उसको सेल किया. It means you have to find out the selling price of the book. So selling price of the book will be equal to cost price minus loss, because this is the formula. So put the values 225 minus 120, and after subtracting we will get rupees 105 as a selling price of the book. So this is the way to determine selling price when cost price and profit or cost price or loss is given to you. Okay, so you just remind these two formula, that is selling price is equal to cost price plus profit and selling price is equal to cost price minus loss, and using these two formulas you can solve any type of question. So practice such type of questions, and in our next video we will discuss how to determine cost price. Okay, so wait for my next video and practice these questions. Thank you and have a nice day.